Welcome to Casinos and Gaming, HFT3785. My name is JB Ward and I'm the instructor for the course. I'm just going to do a really quick video and kind of tell you about this course and the expectations for this course and the layout. So this is very, very straightforward. This course has a textbook that I definitely recommend that you get because the information in that book is what we're going to use for the exams. You're going to have 2 exams, and those exams are not cumulative. So the first half is the first half of the course, second half of the course. Those 2 exams plus probably some discussions, but then also the paper. And the paper for this course is pretty simple. I want you to find a casino resort, whatever combination you want to use, can be anywhere that you want, and kind of give me a summary about it. You'll see in the assignments the rubric and exactly how long it needs to be and all that good stuff, but the basic information about it. I always like for you to do SWOT analysis, things like that, for papers of that sort, so make sure that you do thorough research about the property. And with a paper like that, when you look at the rubric, you'll see the basic stuff that I'm looking for, and then you'll see where points are deducted. I can tell you that, please proof that thing and spell check it for me because it's no fun to read if you don't. I mean, the exams are straightforward, true, false, multiple choice on Canvas. What we do in this course is you will see a video introduction from me. You'll also see that I kind of narrate all the chapters. And so those narrations are brief, under 15-minute summaries of information contained in there. They're not intended to be a substitute for reading the chapters, and they're just kind of a thing that goes along with them. That said, I do recommend that you look at those after you review the PowerPoints, but you also need to read the chapters and stay up with it. And so, you've kind of heard me say that twice now. That is the key to this class, is to stay up with the readings. I unlock modules weekly. I don't unlock everything at once. So, everything contained in Module 1 you should do in the first week. Everything contained in Module 2, second week, etc., until the class finishes. And then standard stuff with the exams, honor lock, true, false, multiple choice, kind of stuff like that. So nothing that will really surprise you, pretty straightforward stuff. We can meet virtually if you would like. Email is always the best way to reach me. All this stuff is on the syllabus. That's why I'm just kind of glazing over it real quick. But if you feel that there is a need to do a virtual meeting, just email me and reach out, and we can definitely take care of that for you. So, throughout the course, if there's questions, just, reach out and we can go over those. And there may be a discussion board in here for you to reach out to your classmates, kind of introduce yourself and do stuff like that as well. So when I do an online class, if I give activity points, it's usually through something like that where we, kind of choose those topics. There are FAQs about the course, but please reach out to me if you need anything. I'm here, and good luck.